Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing good. So today is Tuesday. What's really happening on the economic calendar? You can see that we don't really have much. It's Tuesday. The only thing that I see here, which is very important, I can say, it's employment change from New Zealand, which is going to be later on. Tomorrow we don't really have anything. On Thursday we have unemployment claims, and then on Friday we have employment claims. So welcome to our channel, guys. If you are new to this channel, just know that you are welcomed. If you are new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like share with your friends, and just know that we send this analysis every day, so which means you will be actually up to date Monday to Friday, and also weekly, as we also do our weekly analysis. So on the screen there, you can see that yes, we still have our specials going on. You can scan that QR code. If you want to talk to me, then you can join the team. So if you want to join mentorship plus lifetime signals, you can see that it's $450. It's $450, but we have something. We also have something that is actually for prop firms. And listen to me here carefully. It's not only for prop firm only, for only people who actually funded the account or their accounts. Even though maybe you did not really have any funding, you can still use your own money. The reason behind this is actually just to make sure that you're not going to actually over risk. I'm gonna be every day there with you in our smaller group, trying to help you to take the right signals. When it's time to get out, I will be actually be there with you. So let me just read few points for you that we are going to do mainly on this prop firm challenge. Even if maybe you are just using your money, I think that is also fine, because sometimes you can still have signals but still lack some other thing, like lack of risk management. We know that people, they still lack risk management. We can give you the signals, but you still mess things up. Over trading, this also happens every day. Some traders actually have this temptation of just opening positions non-stop because they don't really have someone to tell them to stop, or to tell them, no, get out, we're supposed to do this, we're not supposed to do that. Ignoring market trends. Some people, they don't really care much about that, you see. So that it's something that people don't really follow, but market trends really matter in the market. And if you have someone to still remind you that, no, we're not going to get in this trade because of 1, 2, 3, we are going to follow the trends, and that is actually something that actually will mess your trading. Emotional decision making. If you don't really have someone on your side, guys, mostly you are going to just continue actually doing your own thing, and those are emotions. And emotions actually such as fear or greed can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decision, causing traders to deviate from their planned strategies. So that is something that I'm also going to be there with you. Insufficient research. So most of you guys, you don't really do the research, what's really happening on the economic news or the market itself, you see. And when you trade, even if you can get nice trades or proper signal, sometimes you might still lose because you don't really know what will happen around or a few hours prior, or I mean after you opened the position. Some, they don't even know when the market is opening, and that it's a problem. Chasing losses. Chasing losses is something that people also do because they don't really want to lose. They just want to recover everything that they lost. At the end of the day, you just lose you just lose everything. Lack of patience. I will be on your neck, guys. I will be telling you, no, now you're supposed to stop, because this is going to be a smaller group, né? So I think that actually it's something actually that we will be covering on that this prop firm challenge. So actually, I want you to pass your challenges, but even if maybe it's not about the challenge, you can still use this as your guide. You can be part of the team. We only need 20 people, so just let me know. It's $350 at the time. There it's actually up to 6 months, but we will make sure that you recover everything that we started with. If maybe you paid 350 like that, obviously we'll make sure that you make profits, whether you're passing the challenges and make more profits. So to me, if maybe you are someone who's struggling with whatever that I tried to mention there, yeah, you can join. So I don't really see if there is anything wrong with that. That is actually $350. I will show you at the end of this video, because the aim, guys, is to make you profitable. It's to make you profitable. But by the way, so you can still join the mentorship. That's nothing, sorry, you can still join the signals if you feel like maybe you mastered everything, you see. So anyways, let's see what we can get on our USD CAD. Now today I'm starting with USD CAD. Guys, you can see that structure was a very straightforward here. The market was going down, very nice. We see that the market just broke out. After the market breaks out, it seemed like the market was about to push to the lowest side. Guess what? The market pushed up again. That was actually something that confused us here, but we were not actually in the market. We were just waiting. I thought maybe the market was going to continue with this downtrend because we had this consolidation structure, which looked like maybe the market was about to continue pushing to the lower side, especially when we broke out. But guess what? The market is back. The market is back, so we're going to draw it from there. The market is back from this resistance, so we will see if maybe the market is breaking out of that resistance. If the market breaks out, it means we are now on that buy. So, but we can see previously already the market showed us that the market is trying to break out. So why don't we just jump on the market? Because most of these moves, they are influenced by the economic news. So mostly when the market is influenced by the economic news, most likely the market will tend to continue with the trend, because mostly economic news, they don't really have that power to just to change the trend. Something might happen, let's say they're gonna increase the rates or they're not going to increase the rates, whatever, then the market pushes to the upside. 3 days later the market wants to push down again because it wants to continue with that trend. But we will see what will happen here. If the market respects this, it means that the market might end up pushing lower. If we see a breakout, that is now a pure breakout. This is now a nice uptrend, which means the market will be giving us a new trend there. I hope you see that. So the best thing is to be patient. Don't just jump on the market. And it's difficult for people actually just to be patient, as mostly I can see that people, they just want to trade non-stop. That's the problem. People just want to see themselves trading, and unfortunately you can't get opportunities every day. Unfortunately, there won't be opportunity like now and then, and some moves, they will look like an opportunity and you get there, and yeah, the market starts to more you see. So that's the problem. So what do we see on DXY? It was pushing down, very nice. It was straightforward. The market was going down. You can see that we had a nice downtrend. What do we see here is now the market broke out. We had this consolidation. We've been talking about it for quite some time. So we now have this breakout. This breakout, it shows that the market is actually on a bullish momentum. The dollar is stronger. The market is supposed to do what? Anything that is going against the dollar, it's struggling. Simple as that. Anything that is going against the dollar is struggling. But what we see now is, yes, it means whatever that we have to do here, we have to mark whatever that the market is doing here. We have to mark that so that we understand what's really happening. Where we are, you can easily see that the market is giving us a nice rejection. That is going to be a potential resistance. So we're going to mark that. I'm not saying that it's a stronger resistance, but yes, that might become one after few hours or few days, because it's something like this, something like this. So even here, the market might do something like that, but we will see. If the market keeps breaking here, it's obvious that, okay, the market is actually trying to do what? To create this uptrend. But if once the market breaks here, that will be getting stronger and stronger. So this is going to be good, because mostly when you see the market reversing here, it shows that on the other pairs the market is actually pushing up. This is an indicator actually. So, but we don't know if maybe the market will come back and respect this area. There's nothing we can do. We just have to wait for the market to do its thing, right? We have to wait for the market to do its thing. So we're going to actually now focus on this uptrend. Already the market broke out, took time to push the upside. The market was consolidating, which we were talking about it like non-stop. But what we see now is we're just waiting for the market to show us that continuation. We already we made peace with this uptrend. Now we're just waiting for the market to do what? To push to the upside, So let's push to the next one, guys. So I made a video yesterday on the other channel about that $500 500 rands account, how we're going to actually grow the targets there. I think I will just share that. I'll share the link on the comment section, but I will also show you the channel after I'm done with this. Let me I hope I won't forget. So on now we are on USD JPY. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is now pushing to the upside. We come in from this down trend. You can see that now we are pushing to the upside. What we have here is that the market is pushing to the upside, but the trend is still very fresh, guys. It's not like maybe you are late. If you did not really take any trade, yes, you are still actually going to get those opportunities. We have a nice resistance there. We're just waiting for the market to break out there so that we can look for buy on top of there. We can look for buy here above that area. You don't really have to make this difficult, guys. You don't really have to make this difficult, as long as you understand. The bigger thing that you're going to do that makes the market to be difficult is not understanding a risk. So we're just waiting for the market to break out, then our order will be there. We will be taking that buy. If the market is going to reverse around this level or maybe this diagonal support, it's where we're going to look for our buy positions. Simple as that. Unless if the market continues to push lower, then we will wait for it to break that support. Then we will say, okay, the market is changing that trend. So now what's really happening? It's GBP USD. What's really happening? Quite nice structure. We saw a breakout, a very stronger one, and I did not really want to chase that structure. Why? Because if a trend starts, most likely we know that it's gonna last very long. So there's no point trying to chase the market. But you can see that, yes, we had a proper bullish move. We had a proper bullish move there. The market did show us that it was on a very nice uptrend until we see the market breaking out, which is why it was actually yesterday. And it's because of Jerome Powell, guys. This guy is just always talking stuff. It's always talking. And unfortunately, so whatever that he said, let's see. You can see here, it was 2 a.m. on my side. I don't know what time was it in the US. So you can see he was speaking. So obviously he was talking about rates cuts and stuff like that, and that was not really good. Obviously he was talking about, we're not gonna cut the rates now. We will wait for CPI data. We will wait for employment data, 1, 2, 3, whatever. And that did not really sit well with traders or investors. That's why we saw the market pushing lower. Remember that that meeting was actually on Monday, but 2 a.m., which means the market was closed around that time. So when the market opens, that triggered actually those movements and stuff, you see. So unfortunately, but I think maybe we will see the market doing its thing. We just have to follow the market structure. Yes, I was very bullish, but with this type of a structure, I'm not going to fight whatever that I see. I will wait for the market to do what? to do a nice reversal. Maybe the market will be retesting, then we will be ready to continue selling. Simple as that. Unless if the market tries to push to the upside again, there will be an adjustment. We're not gonna fight it also. It means that we're gonna look for a buy once the market goes above this previous support. Now it's a resistance. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. So which means this week, guys, or today, tomorrow, I don't see us having too many signals, as we just waiting for the market to show us what's really happening. So Euro USD, quite straightforward structure. I can even push it up to there. You can see that yes, the market was actually giving us some very nice moves. The market was pushing to the upside. We started to have a sort of a breakout here, which we also welcome. We're not going to fight the market because now the market is no longer going in that trend. No, we trade any direction. We don't buy only, we don't sell only. So whatever that the market is going to throw at us, it's up to our strategy. So what I see here is I see that the market created a nice support there, and then the market broke out. What do we see here is it seems like the market is going to retest there and start to push lower. We will wait. But even though it doesn't really retest, already the market gave us something. Learn to mark these areas. That is a future support. That is a future support if the market is going to come back around that level. So now we have a structure. On top, we already have something. So it's up to the market whether to respect this, push like that, or maybe to push up. So now we know what will happen. So we'll just wait and see. If the market maybe retest there, we can sell, or we can wait for this breakout. We can also sell. So the trend is changing. The trend is changing. The wind is turning. So we're no longer on that bullish move. But this is something that is surprising here. On gold. Gold, it was selling yesterday also because of the whatever the statements that they gave. Talking about Powell, I think we have to adjust it like that. So we had a buy pending order. The market did sell. Now it's coming back towards that. So what do we see here is it's little bit surprising because yes, we saw a nice sell, but the time gold was pushing up, when I checked DXY, it was also pushing up, and it's surprising because this is dollar and gold. Why are they going in the same direction? You see, that was bit, but it happens sometimes. It doesn't really mean they will always negatively correlate. Sometimes they are positively correlating. We see gold pushing to the upside, but it's because things are not performing very well in the economy. So there is Red Sea tensions, there is Israel, Palestine, there's so much stuff going on, and that is actually something that we have to look at. And when there is so much stuff going on, when there is politics, geopolitical news left and right, just know that gold becomes very interesting. It becomes safe to actually put your money on gold because it's called safe haven. I don't know why they call it like that, but they actually mean that it can actually sustain its value during these ups and downs in the world, right? So now, yes, I could not just jump early as that. So just because we had this type of moves, unfortunately, but I think now everything is fine. I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So I will be updating my people in the team. So don't worry. So what's really happening? What's really happening on US30? On US30, things are still looking good. We are still looking good, but you can see that where we are now, the market was trying to reverse here and there. The market was trying to reverse, but previously you can see that yes, the market is actually on this nice uptrend. So let's go closer there. Let's go closer. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I think on US30 here, I'm thinking about that buy, a quick buy. This, I think, can actually work in our favor. After I'm done with this, guys, we are not in a hurry. We are not in a hurry, so which means, so I can still make this video, and yeah, but it seems to be trying to move. we can have a quick buy here. We can have a quick buy. And why? Because we are on an uptrend, so we need to take that. We need to take that. So yeah, I think that can work actually very nice. So on top there, you can see that it's our resistance. So if the market breaks out of that, it means we can scale up, or we can just have another, yeah, another new positions above that, and the market might continue like that. But we have to be extra careful. We have to be extra careful with this type of structures, because the market can reverse and create these crazy moves. We have so many things happening. We have this sort of a diagonal structure which looks good. We also have this area. Do you see that area? There is a chance that the market can still touch that before pushing to the upside. So the best thing is to don't just rush. Every opportunity that you have lost, or every loss that you have taken before it looked like an opportunity, right? It looked like something very nice. It's a time to eat. And unfortunately, that did not really happen. All right. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? We can easily see that yes, Nasdaq is pushing to the upside. We see that now there's nothing we can do. The market is very closer to our resistance. It shows that even though the dollar was very stronger, the market did not really have panic. The market did not really panic that much. Remember, on that new account of 500 rands, I will be trading on a Nasdaq. That's why I did not really update anyone on that. So it means I did not really take any trade. So yeah, we have to be patient. I'm waiting for the breakout here. Then it seems like we will be continuing. So if maybe this is going to break out, it means that that US30 is going to be very interesting, because it's still very low. So let's see what we can get on the other one. S&P 500, quite similar to Nasdaq, because it's playing around our resistance. Let's see the other one. Okay, it's what? It's German. Or we had this resistance, that pending order was, I think I told my people to ignore that, but it was a very nice sell. Now we are on US oil. If you can see this one here, we had this pending order in the group, and the market did continue selling, but you can see that the market is now trying to do what? To push the upside. So which means this is good. That momentum from the dollar, it seems like it's disappearing very quick, because the market is about to shoot to the upside. So let me show you that channel, or I will just put the link here where I will be talking about that channel. Sorry, that account, how I'm going to approach that monthly, weekly, and daily. And we also have targets, so I planned everything there. I'll put the link in the description. Sorry, in the comment section. And please, once you go there, you can see the channel is still very small, so you can try to subscribe there so that the channel can grow. For those who actually want to learn to grow their account, you can approach it that way. On that video, there is a new video that I've posted, right? So for those who wants to be part of the team, you can see there IUD, you can post this. You can see that we have some very nice special, and now our yearly it's 148, which is very cheaper because it's coming from 280. Our lifetime signal is 248. You just join and you forget, then you just eat non-stop. Every time we eat, it means that you will be eating. Or you can just join our prop firm challenge. So which means if you want to fund or get funded with your prop firm, you can do that and join me, and we can actually get together and make sure that we win those challenges on a separate group, because this prop firms, they have different rules and stuff like that. So I think that can be also a very good thing. Plus, even if maybe you don't really have to, if you have enough cash, if maybe you have $300 to fund your account, we can still work on that. It's like account management. Actually, it's like I'm managing your account, but I'm not actually trading for you. I'm just there to assist you like each and every day until you reach your target. So anyways, you can scan the QR code. It's only $350 to get that type of assistance. You can just WhatsApp me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.